want to go there. Leave me alone. You took my battery.
Oh my god, Jordan, come back.
I saw a battery. I took the battery. You stole my You stole my battery. And he's you can't get to them though.
Hey, you can't just walk around.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
It's okay.
No, he's right behind us. Run.
I stunned him. Oh,
he's here again. Okay, welcome back. We are still trying to figure out this mission. Oh my god,
he's on me!
Oh no! I'm running!
I'm trying to stun him.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Okay, is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone.
Pick up the tape, that's our last clue. Oh, that's a decoy! God dang it. Hate you. Okay,
oh my god, it says it's the other way.
Yup.
It says it's the other way.
Yup.
You following?
Yup. I'm doing it.
Oh my god, it did the pop-up thing again.
Yeah, it did that to me last night whenever we were doing the tutorial.
Hey,
hold on.
Hey, there's a flashbang.
I'm getting it. Alright, L1, heard.
Don't use it yet.
I know.
It says keep going straight.
Yep, I see that too. Oh my god, this sucks. Oh my god, you're kidding. Where'd you go? No! No!
He's on me.
I flashed him, run. No! Let me get the flashlight! Oh my god! No! No! He's hitting me! Oh. Thank god.
Oh my god. Dude,
okay.
I can't see.
Okay.
It says go this way.
Yeah.
Do you need a med kit? Are you about to die?
No, I'm good.
I haven't got eaten yet, but he keeps popping. Oh my god, it did the pop-up thing.
Okay, we're close. We're close to it. He's here! He's here again!
Yep, there he is.
Ah! No!
Rhino, he's gonna get me, bro. He's gonna get me, bro. Rhino, he got me. Turn around, flash him.
Okay.
Hold on, bro. I gotta take this med kit.
Dude, he is freaking
Bro,
try.
it's the code thing. We gotta unlock the chest.
Break sigils. We gotta go to the
yeah,
glowing
go to the
thing
big
now.
tower. Go to the big tower. Where are you at? Rhino, please slow down.
Are you behind me? God, this is some
we gotta
music.
open this chest.
Where?
Right here. Oh my god. Rhino,
If we
I lost
stay,
you.
if I'm still here, if we stay here in this room though, he's gonna catch up to us like right now. I heard him again. We need to go to that thing. The chest is not a priority. It says break
I
the
don't have a
sigils.
flashlight. I can't see.
Okay, well follow me. What do you mean? You do have a flashlight.
Dude, it's literally on 1 HP.
Coming through, watch yourself.
Okay, well,
I can't see anything.
just keep on throwing out those things.
Let's take a left.
Yeah, we're
Yeah, I
close
see
to
the
it.
seagulls.
Sigils.
Whatever.
Alright, start breaking them.
How many? We have to break 4. Okay, that's not
Yeah. I broke one.
bad. I got one.
Alright, I see another one.
He's popping up on me.
Alright, I got that one. We need one more.
I don't know where the last one is, but I can't see, Jordan.
I see one. Just stay right there. And throw
I'm
your,
coming to you, fool.
throw your thing if you have to. Yes!
Oh,
We did it! We finally did it! Oh
Dude,
my
that
god!
was trippy.
He kept on popping up every time.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, let me see. Let's see like how he traveled.
So he was on the other side of the map for a while.
But then we ran right into him, and then he came right back, and then we got him there.
He only got me once, is the crazy thing.
He got me twice. It seemed like he was on us. God dang. And then again. And then
yeah, he was
again.
sitting right on us.
And then again. Oh my god. And then again,
yeah,
dude.
for the longest time, he was
then
right
again.
on us, dude. How did he keep getting right on? Oh, I'm level 6
I don't
now.
know. I'm level 5. Oh, I'm level 6. Hell yeah.
I'm level 7.
Oh, aw.
Dude, I got 700 for the victory, 250 for surviving, 500 for everybody surviving. I got clues, teammate clues, seagulls, teammate seagulls, battery pickups, items used, creature stunned.
Without
Oh, creature
difficulties,
stunned
there's
just
no
a
King
lot.
adventure.
metal.
Or
Hell yeah.
journalism.
Oh,
Ooh,
cool, you got a new
rusty
character.
Rusty flashlight, periscope. I got the periscope. Okay, well, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. A life is a wave. See you later, my peoples. Peace.